Good evening, City Council. My name is Tim Beeman, Assistant Director of Public Works, here to discuss purchase order with Rockwell Engineering and Equipment Company for wastewater equipment and future supplies. The recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the purchasing agent to execute annual purchase orders with Rockwell Engineering and Equipment Company for a total amount not to exceed $600,000 through June 30th, 2026 for the purchase of wastewater pumps and related equipment for the wastewater division. A little bit of background on the chopper pump. The wastewater division operates and maintains over 400 miles of underground sewer pipes and 15 lift stations. And the wastewater division often requires portable pumps to conduct bypass pumping. It's temporary in the process, used to divert flow of wastewater, and we use it when maintenance, repairs, and construction work may be carried out. Here's an example of the chopper pump in use. This is a sewer failure where we use the chopper pumps to bypass from one manhole to the other. Here's a picture of itself, and the portable pumps ensure uninterrupted flow of wastewater to the treatment and collection systems without causing overflows or permit violations. And the wastewater division currently owns one sewage pump. For the fog station, the wastewater division operates digesters which break down organic material through a process called anaerobic digestion. This process produces biogas. It consists primarily of methane gas, is a renewable fuel source used to power the cogeneration facility, and produces electricity for the wastewater division. Here's a picture of our digesters, 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, as part of the reliability project, number 2 is currently under construction. A 2024 study determined the feasibility of the treatment plant's ability to accept fats, oil, and greases. The fog sources include restaurants and commercial establishments. The study determined that the plant has sufficient digestion capacity to accept up to 50,000 gallons per day of fog. Potential benefits include production of additional biogas, provide a service in locations for local fog haulers to dispose of their product, and revenue generated from the fog disposal. To accomplish this, a fog receiving station is required. The discussion for the chopper pump. The wastewater division recommends purchasing an additional Vaughan chopper pump. It increases the wastewater division's ability to respond to sewer failures and emergencies. It decreases our reliance on rental pumps and allows for streamlined maintenance and sharing of components. Rockwell is the appointed representative and distributor of Vaughan brand products in the Oxnard region. The cost for a portable chopper pump is $128,328.25, with a lead time of 10 to 12 weeks. The discussion for the fog station. In 2024, the fog station or the wastewater division conducted a fats, oil, and greases study. The study determined that the digesters can accept up to 50,000 gallons per day of fog. To properly receive fog at the treatment plant, a permanent facility may be required and can take many years to design, build, and fund. As an interim step, the wastewater division recommends the purchase of a package fog receiving station. To expedite the ability to receive fog and allow for testing to determine the larger permanent facility is required. The test phase will determine if adding fog into the digesters causes any unforeseen operational issues. Detailed operational costs will be tracked closely to confirm assumptions made during the fog study. A tipping fee will be charged to the haulers on a per gallon basis to offset the capital and operational cost, and estimated that the tipping fees will cover the capital cost of the equipment within the first year of full operation. If the testing is successful, it is anticipated that this new public service will become permanent, providing a new continuous revenue stream. The wastewater division recommends purchasing a Borger brand fog receiving station. Rockwell is the appointed representative and distributor of Borger brand products in the Oxnard region. And the cost for the fog receiving station is $108,336.41 with a lead time of 6 to 8 weeks. The financial impact, the total cost of these purchase orders with Rockwell shall not exceed $600,000 through June 30th, 2026 for supplies. Estimated spending in the fiscal year 2024 through 25 is $250,000. Sufficient appropriations are included in the fiscal year 24-25 adopted budget, and subsequent year allocations will be requested during the annual budget process. This concludes the presentation.